In the Durban CBD, that's where we're joined by our reporter Vusi Khumalo. Vusi, what's the situation where you are?
Good evening, Francis. Well, I'm in the Durban CBD, whereby a building has been set alight here on the Durban CBD. I'm going to ask our camera person, Dabezinhle Khumalo, just straight away to show you the extent of the damage of a building that has been set alight here right in the CBD. Well, I can say that the fire and emergency services personnel have just arrived. They arrived about 10 minutes ago, coming here to douse a fire that was spreading fast to the upper floors of the building. They are seen going inside in order to douse out those flames that were spreading fast. What I can tell you is that the fire started about an hour ago. We saw a police vehicle, a metro police vehicle. I think they are the ones who actually called for assistance. And then later on, we saw the emergency services personnel coming in here to assist. As you can see, the smoke billowing in the skies. I don't know how long this will take for the building. The firefighters to douse out a fire that is currently seen in the Durban CBD. As you are coming far from the city, you can actually notice that something is wrong in the skies. There is huge smoke that is up there in the skies. Well, what I can also tell you is that at least today, unlike yesterday, where there were no police and also no SNDF members that were deployed in the country after the president authorized them, at least today we saw about 2 SNDF members patrolling in the city of Durban, just here on this street. This is known as Monty Naika, previously known as Pine Street here in Durban. So at least today, people are seeing that there is a deployment of SNDF members or soldiers amongst them. They were patrolling the scenes there. As we know that KwaZulu-Natal has also some parts of Gauteng. We've seen a lot of destruction that was left by the looters who were looting a number of shops. What I can also tell you is that about 80% of the shops here in Durban remain destroyed as the looters are peeling off every bit and pieces that has been left as from when the protest started. In what started as a protest by the pro-Zuma supporters, but now people are saying that a criminal element has just crept in with a lot of people, okay. Stealing and also looting the shops here in Durban, Francis.
Vusi, thanks for those visuals. You can see how brave that one firefighter is being, going into the building with that smoke gushing out, and the flames are pretty big. Do we know what happens, what activity happens in this building, and the people who set this building alight? Presumably they are nowhere to be seen right now.
Yes, we arrived here about an hour ago. There were quite a number of people. Well, I did count them, but when I asked around who may have been the culprits of the fire, they said that the group has just left. It could have been that they just set alight the building and then they fled on foot. But what I can tell you for certain is that no one has been arrested as yet. But we saw on our arrival, we saw one Metro Police vehicle just as being stationary here, just adjacent to the fire that was that caught on fire. There's no one that's been arrested as yet, and those people who have been who could be the suspects, they fled on foot. No one has been arrested so far, but we don't know how. How they light on the fire, they lit on the fire here.
All right, thank you very much, Vusi Khumalo, live from the Durban CBD, where that building is now on fire.